School taught you that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It taught you how to solve for X. It taught you the capital of every country. But it never taught you how money actually works. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share 3 financial truths that schools refuse to teach. These truths are worth more than everything you learned in 12 years of school. Stay with me. Truth number 1. They taught you to work for money, not to make money work for you. Think about it. You spend 12 to 16 years learning how to get a job, but nobody teaches you how to build assets. Assets are things that pay you while you sleep. Stocks, real estate, businesses. The rich don't trade time for money. They trade money for more money. School prepares you to be an employee. It does not prepare you to be an owner. That's the first truth. Truth number 2. Saving money is not enough. You've been told to save. Save 10%. Save for a rainy day. But here's what they don't tell you. Inflation is eating your savings every single year. If your bank pays you 0.01% interest and inflation is 3%, you're losing money by saving it. The fix? You need to invest in assets that grow faster than inflation. Saving is just delayed spending. Investing is how you build wealth. That's the second truth. Truth number 3. Debt is a tool. Not all debt is bad. School taught you that debt is dangerous. Stay away from credit cards. But the wealthy use debt to build wealth. They borrow at 3% to buy assets that return 7% or more. Credit card debt at 25%? That's bad debt. A mortgage at 3%? That can be good debt. The difference is what the debt buys you. If it buys an asset that pays you more than the interest, it's good debt. If it buys a liability that costs you money, it's bad debt. That's the third truth. These are the 3 financial truth schools refuse to teach. Work for assets, not just a paycheck. Invest. Don't just save. Use debt as a tool, not as a trap. If you want to learn more of what school never taught you, follow for more. Your future self will thank you.